I'm a performance sailor, yes. That's in the heart, I think. And sailing has to be fun.
So number one is fun.
Fun, yes, of course. If you do 10 knots, it's very stable, the boat, very stable.
We are here in Cartagena. Good morning, Martine and Eric.
Eric, yeah.
Yes, good morning.
So we are on the boat Falcon. It's Outremer 4X, and we make another one. That's the fifth one, I think, series of performance cruising catamarans.
Yeah. Nice.
What is a performance cruising catamaran?
Yes, a sailing boat is nice sailing, not to go from one harbor to the other, but just nice sailing. I like the nice sailing.
So people always in Facebook or so are asking, why do I have to have a fast boat? If I'm there 2 hours earlier or not, it doesn't matter. But what's the difference?
Yes, I think it's you have to make your own choice.
Yes.
If you want more comfort and a more heavy boat, then you go slower. If you want a fast boat, you choose another type of boat.
Yes,
so,
yes.
And that's what we made the decision of choosing a fast performance boat. Yes.
So you are happy with it too?
Yes, of course. So when I see lagoon inside or other boats inside, I say, oh, more looks, more. They have airco, they have everything,
big
and
fridges.
more wood inside, and more. The bed is more comfortable, and it's bigger. Everything is bigger. But if you are with two on the boat, this is more than enough. For two, it's and you can have your children. It's also nice, but it's of course you have to make the choice. And I think it's for everyone what you want to do with the boat.
So Eric made the decision. Why a performance boat?
I'm a sailor. If they buy a lagoon, they don't like sailing. I think they like living on the boat. That's a different concept. Yes, I think the one has nothing to do with the other.
Everybody, a lot of people have seen La Vagabonde. They have Outremer 50. I think.
It's the same hull. It's the same hull, but this is the lighter version.
What's the difference between the two boats? 2-3 tons or?
In kilos, I don't know exactly. In tons, I don't know exactly.
So it will sail very different. What do you think?
Yes, it sails better. Yes. Kilos is speed. Yes. Every kilo in a catamaran is speed. Yes.
So fast sailing for me is most important in light winds, where other boats have to start the engine. We are sailing with, I don't know, 7 knots of wind. We are sailing decent speeds.
Yes, 7
That's, I assume, the same on this boat.
Yes, the Mr. of the lagoon, he said, I need 12 knots, then I go sailing downwind, only downwind or half wind.
Now that's physics.
They did a lot of motoring, They do a lot of motoring.
The hulls
and they have,
the hulls are wide, the boat is heavy. It's physics. If you have a boat of 15 tons, it cannot sail as a boat which has 8 tons.
200 horsepower in it.
But we completely understand the choice of making that choice.
It's a different concept.
Okay, people have the idea. performance boat is a Spatonic boat.
Yes, yes.
I don't see it. On our boat we don't live Spatonically. We have...
No. If you see it here, it's also it's very nice
Yes, it's very comfortable.
installed. Yes.
But of course, when you arrive at home in your house, it's a big difference. That's a choice you make.
Yes.
Yeah, everything is bigger then. That's so.
But it's not. There are some fast cuts. They are really Spatonic.
Yes,
but
of course.
Yes.
but this boat is not Spatonic. A huge cockpit.
Yes.
The saloon is
Yes.
big enough. The kitchen you can manage.
Yes.
The biggest problem
Yes.
on boats is always you fill it up with stuff.
Yes.
And then it gets heavier and heavier and
yes.
heavier. How you can manage not to do this?
Yes.
What's the trick?
I have a rule. 2 years not using it, it goes to the
Goes away, yeah.
goes away.
It goes
With
away.
my other catamaran, I had a TV. We had a TV mounted. I didn't use it 2 years up. I threw it away. That's the rule. 2 years. Yes.
But
No use. It's has to leave.
yeah.
People say single-handing is not possible.
Yes. I
Is
did
the boat
most-
specially outfitted
Most
for?
of the miles I did solo sailing. I did. Yeah.
So you run radar and AIS and
Yes, yes.
sleep.
Radar and some other alarms, the wind alarm,
Yeah.
steering alarm. Yes, lots of alarms.
Yeah,
Did
so-
3 crossings of the ocean alone. Yes, I like it alone.
Is the boat specially is something special to be able to do it
We
easier?
did some adjustments.
Yeah, I did some adjustments.
Some little adjustments
Yeah.
to make it for him more easy.
But I sleep here on the
Yes,
table.
we
The
do.
table
Lower
goes
the
down
table,
and
yes.
I'm in and out.
Yes,
2
but we did
seconds.
that.
So it's nothing special you changed for
I have
single-handed.
lots of experience.
Yeah.
Yes, years I do solo sailing. I did one solo sailing that was the hardest one, from Croatia to Belgium in 19 days non-stop. You have to do the coast. The coastline is more difficult than an ocean. All the fishermen and the buoys and the stuff. And, yeah.
So this is a very expensive boat.
Yes, it's very expensive.
May I
boat,
ask
yes.
what it costs to inform our viewers?
Yes, I was 1 million euro. Because there's lots of carbon in it.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and there were more options, but the next option was the hull a little lighter, 20,000 euro. And
we didn't
I stopped there. Technical details.
So it's
It's,
what,
40
which boat?
An Outremer 4X. Yes, it has 11 tons and it measures 48 feet and 23 feet wide. Yes,
And
it has a turning mast. It has the daggerboards.